Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Boot. Today I am here with class 9th, chapter 2 polynomials from new NCERT textbook. Exercise 2.4 question 8 we are going to solve now. Here in question 8, factorize each of the following is there. See, I have already solved here. The question is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6a b square. So this is the question. By using this formula we have to solve this. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus a plus b. A plus b. See, if we open the bracket, the formula becomes what? A cube plus b cube plus 3a into a square b plus 3a b into b. This into this we did, and this into this. So the formula becomes 3ab square. So by using this formula we will solve now. Let us compare the given equation with this formula. A cube b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, a cube. So I have written how it becomes a cube. 2 cube is 8. So in place of 8 I wrote 2a cube plus b cube plus 3 formula. A place 2a square b plus 3a b square. Okay, now see, 2a cube plus b cube, 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay, now let us solve this. This formula can be written as, here see, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus a 3ab square can be written as a plus b whole cube. This can be written as this. So I have written in place of this whole 2a plus b, because a value is 2a and b value is b. So 2a plus b whole cube. But they have told to factorize. So I wrote 2a plus b 3 times. Bracket 2a plus b, 2a plus b. Same thing let us do with this problem now. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6a b square. So same formula, but only the thing is minus. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. If we open this formula, open the bracket here, then what we are getting, see, a cube as it is minus b cube as it is minus 3a into a square b minus minus plus 3a b into b square. So we get this formula. So let us substitute now here. 8a cube is nothing but 2a whole cube. So if we solve, we are getting 8a cube only, plus b I have written as minus b whole cube plus 3, a value is 2a, b value is minus b plus 3, 2a is a value and b square. Okay, now 2a cube as it is plus minus minus b cube, here also plus minus minus 3 as it is, 2 square is 4a, splitted form we have written 3ab plus 3ab square. So the formula can be written here also is same, a minus b whole cube. So same way here, a value, b value, 2a minus b whole cube. So this splitted in the form as 2a minus b, 2a minus b, 2a minus b. Why? Because cube is there. So I have split it into 3 because they have told to write factorize. Same thing here. Here I have clearly mentioned here formula also. See here. 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Okay, I have written first formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the formula. Now a place what is taken? A place, just see whose cube it is? 3's cube. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3 cube. So a value is 3 and b 125. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So 5 cube. So here 5b cube. Okay. Then here let us see 5b cube minus 3 as it is. A value what we have considered 3. Square is there, so square as it is. B value 5b. If you want, we can write a value as we have considered 3 and b value as 5b. Okay, then we can substitute the in formula. 3 as it is, a value as 3, square is there, so square, b value as 5b plus 3 A value as 3, B value as 5B whole square. If we solve, we are getting the question. 3 cube 27, 5 cube 125, B cube, B, no, it was A only, by mistake I wrote. B value is A only, okay. I wrote by mistake again. B value they have given A, same here, A, okay. Then we know that after solving this formula becomes A minus B whole cube. So I had written A value, B value is 5A whole cube. So split it from 3 minus 5A, 3 minus 5A, 3 minus 5A. Why? Because we had written in cube here, so split it into 3. In this way we have to write. This is not B, A only, okay. This is the formula. We had compared a formula. Now next question. Here we can see 64A cube minus 27B cube minus 144A square B plus 108AB square. So we will write a formula. A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB whole square. So A place 64 is the 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is the 16, 16 4 is the 64. So A value we can write as 64 means 4. A cube becomes A, 4A. A value we can write at 4A. 27 whose cube? 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. So B value I can write as 3B. B value I can write as 3B. Okay. Now let us substitute in formula. A value 4A cube is there as it is, minus B value 3B cube as it is, minus sign as it is, 3 as it is. A value 4A. Up what is there? Square. B value 3B. Okay. Plus 3 as it is, this formula. A value 4A and B value 3B square as it is. If we solve, we are getting question only. Same. 4A cube is 64A square. 3B cube is 27B cube. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 3s are 3 4s are no. 4 square is 16. 16 3s are 48. 48 3s are 144. Like that we will get answer same. A square B as it is, plus if we multiply this also we will get same. 3 square 9. 9 4s are 36. 36 3s are 108. And A B square. So we got the same question, and this value, this is the formula we have substituted here, and the formula of this is A minus B whole cube. So for this we wrote as A value of A minus B whole cube, that is A value is 4A minus 3B whole cube. So factorize they have told, so split it into 3 times. 4A minus 3B, 4A minus 3B, 4A minus 3B. This is the answer. Let us see this. I didn't solve this. We'll solve and write. Okay. Now I'll write first formula. A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. This is our formula. Let us replace the places. Okay. 27 whose cube? 3 into 3 into 3. I told na 3 cubes. So I'll write 27 as it is 3 and P whole cube. Okay, A value we got 3P. B value, whose value is 616, 6 into 6 into 6. 6 is a 36, 36 is a 616. So it will become 1 by 6 whole cube. Okay, minus 3 as it is. A value is 3P square. B value is 1 by 6. Okay, plus 3 as it is. A value what we wrote? 3P. B value 1 by 6 whole square. If we check this, we are going to get 9 by 2. If you want, I'll solve this part and show you here. See, 3 into 3 square is 9. P into P square into 1, 6, 1 by 6. Okay, now see here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, we got what answer? 9 P square by 2, and we have here 9 P square by 9 P square by 2. Understood how we got? So we automatically get the question. Only the thing we have compared this with the formula. So the formula of this is A minus B whole cube na. So I'll write A, what we had considered, 3P minus 1 by 6 whole cube. So how we will split this, because they have told factorize. 3P minus 1 by 6 one time, 3P minus 1 by 6 twice, and 3P minus 1 by 6 3 times. This way we have to solve these questions by comparing with the formula. So this completes the 8th one question. So in my next video I am coming up with the 9 questions. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.